Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, my dear students. I hope you are fine. Our discussion is continue on probability and combined events. Lastly, we discussed the concept of tree diagram. In today's lecture, we will discuss a single problem that is related to probability by using tree diagram. Actually, this is question practice now 5 available in new Syllabus Mathematics series 8th edition. Question is interesting and conceptual. Question statement is Imran is a darts player. There is an equal probability that he will hit or miss the bullseyes. Mean to say the probability of hit the target and miss the target is same, that is 0.5, that is 1 by 2. He aims for the bullseyes and attempt 3 throws. By using a tree diagram, find the probability that he misses the bull's eyes once, he hits the bull's eyes at least once. So, firstly, we draw a tree diagram here. Let the letter H stand for hit, and the letter M is using for miss the target. So in his first throw, he has 2 possible outcomes. It could be hit or it could be miss. Then, in either case, if he hit the target, then in the second throw, he has again 2 possible outcomes. It could be hit or miss the target. Similarly, in the third throw, he again has a 2 possible outcome, hit and miss. Similarly here, he has 2 target, hit or miss. Similarly, in the second throw, he has 2 possible outcome, H and M, and at the third throw, again there are 2 possible outcome, H and M. Similarly here, H and M. So there are the total possible 9 outcomes in this experiment. The first outcome here, the first outcome is from this branch, hit, and hit. Hit. This question is actually the same as when you toss 2 coins. Again, when you toss 3 coins, there are the total possible 8 outcomes here. Okay. From this branch, he has the possible outcomes head, hit, HHM. From here, HMH. From this branch, the possible outcome is HMM. From here, the outcome is MHH. From here, the possible outcome is MHM. The 7th one is MMH, and the last one outcome is MMM. So these are the 8 possible outcomes of this experiment. Now we have to calculate the first. He he misses the bull eyes once. Let A be the experiment, A be the event, A be the event that shows he misses the bull eyes once. Then the possible outcome in A. Here we have to find all those outcomes in which there is a single M. So you can notice that the single M is here. This is first outcome H H M H H M. The second one is H M H H M H. The third one is M H H. And next there is no further outcome that has single M. So probability of A is N of A is equal to 3. N of S total possible outcomes are 8. So probability of A is N of A divided by N of S, which is equal to 3 by 8. The next one is second part. In the second part, we have to calculate, let B be the event, B be the event which shows he hits the bull eyes at least once. At least once mean greater than or equal to 1. So in this case actually we have to find probability of H greater than or equal to 1 here. So if you do not let here the name of the event be, you can express your probability by this condition. Probability of H is greater than or equal to 1. By using complement we can write it as 1 minus probability of H less than 1. H less than 1 mean he hit the target less than 1 time. Mean to say he does not hit the target. H is equal to 0 mean all are misses. All of its hits are misses, that is M is equal to 3. 1 minus. So there is only one possible outcome in which all 3M. So this is 1 by 8, that is 7 by 8. So the probability that he hits the target at least once is 7 by 8. You can notice from the tree diagram there are 7 outcomes here in which at least one H is present. There is only one possible outcome in which there is no H, that is all 3M. So you can do this question by complement and also simply by calculating all of the possible outcomes in which at least one H is present. So in total lecture we are closing our lecture with this single question. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss some more questions that are related to tree diagram and available in your textbook. If you find this lecture is helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.